In the content section on your website, there is a node here named Home with a drop-down here to the left. This is what is called the site tree. This is where all your site pages are located. Clicking on the arrow here will open up the drop-down where you can see all the various pages that are housed underneath the home page. By clicking on any of these pages, it'll take you to the dashboard of that page where you can make edits to the content. Hovering over any of these pages, you'll notice that there are 3 dots that appear to the right. If you click on those dots, the first option you'll get will be to create a new page underneath that particular page. If you click on Do Something Else, it gives you a different set of options. The Create option here is the same as the other Create Page option. The Delete option will allow you to delete that page. Create Content Template. This will allow you to create a page based off the page that you've already created as a template to be reused in other parts of the website. The Move tab will allow you to move that page to a different location within the site tree. The Copy tab will allow you to copy that page exactly as is and use it somewhere else in the site tree. The Sort tab will allow you to reorder the pages within the site tree. Filter and host names. This is typically for if you have a multilingual site and you need to set different URLs for the different languages. Permissions will allow you to edit the permissions on the website in terms of who can edit and access those pages. Restrict public access will allow you to put the page behind a firewall of sorts. This is typically used for a membership type scenario. Notifications are if you want to have notifications when someone else edits a page, so that way if you need to approve any of the changes that have been made, you can have this set up. And Reload will just simply refresh everything.